This is the Be Different conference, right? Which means a lot of different things to a lot of different people.
You're going to hear a lot of different opportunities for you to build your business over the course of the afternoon.
Technology has come and changed everything. Social media has changed everything.
It all started with, I want to do what not all of the other 23,000 agents are doing.
What is your USP? Like, think about what do you do different than anybody else? Like,
That's the change that needs to be made if we're going to differentiate ourselves and stand out and survive the market shift.
Fighting for every cent for the client, and when the client knows that you're fighting for every cent for them, they appreciate that and they refer you a ton of business.
It is so amazing that we happen to be in this industry, that we have the ability and the opportunity to make like doctor money by selling houses, and we get to choose who we work with.
If I'm going to lead people in this industry and show people how to get it done in this industry, I need to know what I'm doing right now, not something that I did 5 years ago, 10 years ago, so forth.
I'm going to give you my formula for differentiation. What are they doing? And then how are you going to approach it differently to solve that pain?
You get sick and tired of being sick and tired, and so we had to level up.
You know, brings you to a different level, and people trust you because the Padres trust me, therefore they feel a sense of trust.
That being different and doing something different actually has huge financial impact on your company.